Exceptional and Splendor, you're welcome to Mathematics Episode 5 Part 2. Are we ready? Let's proceed. In Part 1, you were taught algebraic expression, the introductory aspect of algebraic expression, where you were taught how to simplify and solve algebraic expressions. In Part 2, our subtopic is simplifying algebraic expressions. During and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to simplify algebraic expressions and do simple factorization. Ensure you pay attention. Let's begin. Example 1. On the simplification, we have 3 bracket y plus 6 bracket close plus 3y plus 2. We open the bracket by multiplying every content in the bracket by 3. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 3y plus 2. Do we understand to that point? At this juncture, you bring the like terms together. 3y plus 3y gives us 6y. 18 plus 2 is 20. We have simplified the expression above to 6y plus 20. Do you understand? It's simple, right? Let's do another example. Example 2. Do the same thing by opening the brackets. We can only open the brackets when we multiply the contents by the constants outside. Let's multiply. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times y is 3y. 2 times 3x is plus 6x. And 2 times minus y is minus 2y. The same thing is applicable. You bring the like terms together. We have 9x plus 6x gives us. We bring the like terms together. We have 3x plus 6x gives us 9x. Plus 3y minus 2y gives us plus y. I hope we understand. So we have 9x plus y in the simplest form. Let's take example 3. Finding the missing numbers in algebraic expressions. Let's find the missing number here. First of all, we open the brackets. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. This equals 3x minus 27. We bring the like terms together. They will be crossing the sign of equality. Where it is positive, as it crosses the sign of equality, it becomes negative. Let's do that. We have 8x. 3x is at this other side, which is the right side of the equation. When 3x crosses the sign of equality, it becomes minus 3x is equals minus 27 is already there. Now, minus 12 will cross the sign of equality becomes positive 12. Do we understand to this point? I hope we do. 8x minus 3x gives us 5x, which is equals to minus plus means minus. I hope you can remember this. So 27 minus 12 is 15. The sign in front of the bigger number is minus, thus is minus 15. To find the x, which is the missing number, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Beautiful. 5 cancels itself. 5 goes into itself 1 and goes into minus 15 is minus 3. Thus, x is equals minus 3. Have you seen that? So simple. Let's proceed. Look at another example here. We have 4, open the bracket, minus times 3x will have minus 3x. Minus times minus 5 in the bracket we have positive 5 is equals 6. Minus times 2x we have minus 2x. Minus times positive 7 in the bracket will give us minus 7. Brackets have been opened. You bring the like terms together. The like terms here at the left side are 4 plus 5. But we still have constants at the right, so they will have to cross the sign of equality. So positive 6 or plus 6 will cross the sign of equality, becomes minus 6. And minus 7 crosses the sign of equality, it will become plus 7. Which is equals to, we have 2x already at the right. The minus 3 at the left will cross the sign of equality, it becomes positive 3x. Let's simplify. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10. Is equals, minus plus is minus. Therefore, 3 minus 2x, 3x minus 2x will give us x, positive x, because the sign in front of the bigger number is positive. Thus, the missing number is x. X is equals 10. Have you seen that? Beautiful. Factoring algebraic expression. What do we mean by factoring? Factoring or factorize is the opposite of expand. What do we mean by factoring? Factoring is the act of finding the letters and numbers that are common. Finding the letters and numbers that are common. Factoring algebraic expression. What do we mean by this? First of all, factorize is the opposite of expand. Factorize is the opposite of expand. And what is factoring? Factoring is the act of finding the letters and numbers that are common. Let's do one example. Example 1. 12 mm plus 18 mp. Look at this. What is common here? Between the 12 and 18 that are the coefficients, you find the factors of 12. In other words, we'll be looking for the highest common factor of 12 and 18. So first of all, let's find the factors of 12. 2 goes into 12 is 6. 2 goes into 6 is 3. And 2 goes into 3. Thus, 2 times 2 times 3 are the prime factors of 12. Let's do same for 18. 2 goes into 18 is 9. 2 cannot go into 9, but 3 can. 3 goes into 9 is 3 itself. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. Now the common factors here are 2 and 3. So the highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. So we pull it out. We have m at the left and we also have m at the right. So we pull out 1m. And now we open the bracket. 6 goes into 12 is 2. We write down the 2 here. We still have 1m there. We write it down. Plus 6 goes into 18 is 3. We have pulled out 1m, so the m doesn't exist anymore. So what is left there is variable p. We have factorized this. Now, if you want to check, you multiply the number and variable outside the bracket, it will take you back to this original question. Because 6 times 2 is 12. This is the 12 there. M times M is MM. You can see it there. 6 times 3 is 18. That is the 18. M times P is MP. It takes us back. So this is all what we mean by factorization. This is all this is all that we mean by factoring algebraic expression. Ensure you do well to practice various exercises precisely on page 222 of your Iconic Showers Mathematics textbook. Book 5. Practice them for better and accurate understanding. For now, this is your homework. Number 1, page 221, exercise 7B and C. Number 2, page 222, exercise 8I and L. As it stands, we have come to the end of episode 5. See you in episode 6. God bless.